in real quick. We're headed up to Lake Geneva Memorial Day weekend. We just came from a soccer tournament where the boy was playing some defense today. Usually he's a goalkeeper. That's his preferred position, but he stepped up and played some good defense. Good job, Jeremiah. As you can see, he's a little tired. We'll wake him up and get him going here in a little bit. What'd you think, Carrie?
Good game.
It was fun. Okay, we'll check in with you guys in a little bit. Lake Geneva. So we're thinking about enrolling Jeremiah into some wakeboarding classes this summer. If you don't know this, he likes to surf and skateboard, so obviously we're a little landlocked up here. So we're thinking maybe introducing the wakeboarding. I used to do a little bit of it when I was younger, but it's changed quite a bit since obviously. So we'll see. You gotta say
Gordy. Gordy. Restaurant. Food. Get a drink. Yeah. Yummy.
Well, thank you very much. You're welcome.
Happy Memorial Day weekend, fam!